Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making a simple Asian cucumber salad. I have 3/4 cucumber here already chopped off the ends, 1 seasoning pepper, 2 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of honey. That's all the ingredients I'll be using. I usually put sesame seed, but I don't have that today. I have to buy. Sorry. Slicing the cucumber thinly. Cucumber is already chopped up, looking nice. So in the bowl I'm adding the seasoning pepper, 1 seasoning pepper cut up, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix everything together, looking nice. Smells good too. You can eat this right away or put it in the fridge. It's still good. Still crunchy. We usually put sesame seed, but we don't have today. Tastes good with the sesame seed. But it tastes good like this too. Anyways guys, looking nice. Looking nice. Nice and fresh. I didn't put no salt because the soy sauce already have enough salt. So no salt for me. Looking nice. You guys should try this. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like how it turns out. It tastes really good. Try it.